Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis X tutorial how to delete selection layer. So for example, in this layer I will create brush objects with a blue color. You can add new layer by clicking at this button and I will draw with the black color. And the next, the third layer, I will draw with this red color. Now, if you want to delete in this blue layer, you can select the layer and then you can click this icon to delete the selection layer. Okay, we'll select again this red layer. You can click these icons to delete the selection layer. Okay, that's it for a basic Ibis X tutorial, how to delete selection layer. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.